What's up guys, I'm Alex and today let's see how we can create a short film with AI. So I recently published my new short film Want, which was completely made using AI, more specifically using Chat GPT. The first thing you need to do when it comes to creating a short film is to think about the story. But this story in my case had also limitations. I wanted to create a 1-minute short film. This is a big part of the story because in that 1 minute I need to compress the entire track structure made for a film. So this meant that I needed a setup, an inciting incident, a climax, then a reveal, then a rising action, a reveal, a crisis, and at the end a final. Also, I needed to decide about the genre, what film I'm going to do. So in my case, I wanted to have a horror film. This is because in a horror film, I have more control over the lighting environment. I can create a more cozy set. This set has also some weirdness because it has a slight greenish tone and red. But coming back to the AI stuff, I created the script using ChatGPT. I entered the prompt that I wanted to create a story, but that's not enough. I also specified the genre and where I wanted the action to take place. I also had another limitation, which was just one actor. I also prompted that in. After regenerating the script a few times with some more informations, I got the script together and then changed some parts of it. This I've done in my own app called Screenwriter, which will be soon released on the App Store and web. After this is done, I put again the screenplay into ChatGPT and asked it to create a shot list. This shot list again wasn't the way I intended for at first, but then I added some parts that I wanted to have in my film. For example, a push-in as a progress bar at the beginning and also a technique called leaving the character in the middle of the film before the character will be attacked. After also this was done, I brought the shot list into my app called Screenwriter. Also this will be soon released on the App Store and on the web. Link for this again in the description below to edit it out. After this was done, just for fun, I also asked ChatGPT how to create a lighting setup for this scene, although I already had in mind what I'm going to film. I created the lighting setup and started shooting. Now it was just a matter of copying all the files, firing up Final Cut Pro and start the edit. And this is how I created my own short film using AI tools. Link for the short film up here and also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.